Hello everyone and welcome to Vingo's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use tabs in Notepad on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. Notepad on Windows 11 has been updated with a fantastic new feature that allows you to use tabs, much like you do in a web browser. This means you can have multiple documents open within a single Notepad window, making multitasking much more efficient. To get started, simply search for Notepad in your Windows search bar and open the application. Once Notepad is open, you will notice the ability to create new tabs. You can even name these tabs by typing directly into the tab itself, allowing you to organize your open documents more effectively. The best part is that these tabs are persistent. Even if you close Notepad and reopen it later, your tabs will be restored exactly as you left them, saving you the hassle of reopening each document individually. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.